You might be driving around right now without noticing any major difference in how your car feels. But your check engine light is staring you in the face with a P042F code. This specific code means your exhaust gas recirculation, or EER, valve is stuck in the closed position. Unlike a valve stuck open, which causes stalling and rough idling, a valve stuck closed usually just means your engine is running hotter than it should and polluting more. The computer uses sensors like your throttle position, vehicle speed, and crankshaft position to decide when to open that valve to let exhaust gases cool down the combustion chamber. When it commands the valve to open and it refuses to budge, it sets this code, while you might not feel a loss of power immediately. Ignoring this can lead to diminished fuel efficiency and higher cylinder temperatures that could cause knocking or pinging over time. The causes here are usually straightforward. It could be the EGR valve motor itself has failed, the wiring has a break, or the position sensor is giving false readings. Start with a visual check. Look at the wiring harness connected to the EGR valve for any signs of burns or corrosion. If the wiring looks solid, you will need a diagnostic scanner. Clear the codes and take the car for a short drive to see if it comes back immediately. If it does, plug the scanner back in and watch the data stream. Compare the desired EGR position against the actual EGR position. They should be identical within milliseconds. If the computer is commanding it open but the actual position stays at 0 or closed, you likely have a mechanical failure in the valve or a bad solenoid. On some vehicles, this system relies on a differential pressure feedback, or DPFE, sensor. If that sensor is clogged or faulty, it can lie to the computer about the valve's position. Check the hoses going to that pressure sensor to make sure they are not melted or cracked. If you do replace the valve, remember that on many modern cars, you cannot just bolt it on and go. You often need to use a scanner to tell the computer a new valve is installed so it can relearn the calibration. If you skip this step, the code might pop right back up because the computer is still trying to use the data from the old broken valve.